Hello everyone, welcome to Magic Walk. Today I'm going to share with you my family recipe, eggplant with basil. This recipe is very simple and it only needs a few ingredients. So let's get started. This recipe you will need 2 eggplants, 2 cloves of garlic minced, Thai basil chopped, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. You will also need 2 tablespoons of water. How to pick a good eggplant? Well, that is a good question. First, we make sure it has a nice, even, shining purple color to it. Then we make sure the stem and the leaf attaching to the body of the eggplant. Here I have 2 eggplants. One is larger than the other. The stem and the leaf on the larger one is flipping outward, like you see in the picture. That's how we know the smaller eggplant is definitely fresher than the big one. Let's prepare eggplant for steaming. Cut eggplant into sections. Here we confirm the larger eggplant is not as fresh because its seeds are starting to mature. In a large pan or wok, boil some hot water. Rest the eggplants on a rack. By elevating the eggplants not touching the dish, we are ensuring the circulation of the hot air so the eggplant would keep its nice purple color. Put the lid on, steam the eggplant in medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until the eggplant is cooked and softened. After eggplants been steaming for 8 minutes, they are ready to be stir-fried. Take the eggplants out. Be careful, they are very hot. Thread them into small pieces. In a heated wok, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Add in eggplants. Stir them for a few seconds. Add in basil and garlic. Add in a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water. Stir them well. Then the eggplant is done.